My people, e don settle. They say that tiger base for Owerri don leave work wey dey send dem go dey pursue husband and wife no be small thing, things are happening. Dis na monsters wey hope Uzodinma create for inside Imo State, and dis people their own work na to make sure say kidnappers no go dey for inside Imo State. But now dem don leave their work go dey do another thing, go dey enter into farmland, go dey enter into family matter, go dey settle husband and wife. This our brother wey dey call Nosokwa don call dem out say if this thing wey dey do for Owerri for Imo State continue like this, he say go take dem to higher court. My people, I want you to watch the video, but before we enter inside the matter, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video immediately wey you don watch am, because enough is enough. Imo State youth dey disappear every day, and dey tell you the truth. Person wey you see today, tomorrow again as of am, you no go see am again. Some go think say their pikin don travel, but they no know say they dey inside tiger base. Most of them no dey again. A lot of matter don come outside. Many people don come outside come talk for this particular tiger base. You know, na so SARS take start until the day of EndSARS. Now this na another form of SARS. Now una dey see like that. Share this video because ndị Igbo sara gba afọ ya bụzi omenala. I will play the video immediately make you watch, but share the video.
Biko audio kempa na ikwuru okwu a because ọ dịwala too much. Audio kempa na ikwuru okwu ọ dịwala too much. The Commissioner of Police Imo State, CP Aboki Danjuma, should call Ola and his boys to order. He should call the tiger base of officials or whatever. He should call them to order. The tiger base they are beginning to take laws into their hand. What they have been doing in Imo State all this while, you know, nobody has sued them. I think it is high time we take tiger base to court. It is high time we take tiger base to court. You know? Only here tiger base, get the tiger base that didn't want you with a problem. Get the tiger base in Anazala. Get the tiger base in Maduji, Mad or Onya Habia Horn, Maduji Madu, Gonya Yaku. Get the tiger base in civil matters. That is what we are asking. Tiger base Orunu anti-kidnapping. Orunu to prevent kidnapping, to arrest kidnappers, to prosecute kidnappers. Orunu to make sure that the kidnapping is wiped out. Orunu. Onwe ihe gbasara unu na di na nwaanyị nwe issue. Onwe gbasara unu na mmadụ lụrụ ọgụ. Onwe gbasara unu na mmadụ mara onwe ha ọra. Onwe gbasara unu na mmadụ nwere issue. Anything civil matter does not concern tiger base. Une emele a whole lot of things. And even when most of you people no changa which and Igbo. Aga maybe dey buy unu one by one. Man him da bogodo issue no wala because she's there Mkweburu. Ola and his boys should step away from civil matters in this state. Ola and his boys should stay away from civil matters. They should focus on the core objective of that tiger base, which is anti-kidnapping. Unulere one woman kojaya the other day, ni Ikeduru. Unulere one woman koja wanyi mmado, wanyi kunwanaka, una abalie elu 2 times. Nunu beribe di arrest. On what exactly? On a civil matter. Dia wu honyoshi, dia wu honyama, dia wu hamroba, dia wu kidnapper. So the man be ashamed na demand mereke me cause ogbola. Une buru ogo ga n'ụlọ the man. Chebanye na room the man. Nwanyi asu na abakwala dia. Una agbalie nwanyi elu. Ana-ekwu nwanyi ebilite, una agbalikwe nwanyi ku nwa n'aka. Kuja kurie nwanyi mmada akuri. That video of that woman will come up very soon. That video of that woman will come up. We'll interview that woman. Can you not run a room without such warrant? EJ who searching warrant. Nothing. GJ ban a room. What of he plant a kwanebe? What of he bang and plant area goof? Plant area cocaine? Plant area on what substances? What is wrong with tiger base in Imo State? What is wrong with you people? The other time, one guy did about one woman, you know, what one woman, the man, Nigeria, the man, a lot of one year, but we are like when you know, the man is one what that man see. Oh, if I can want you many, because I know him again about one you many. Mba, ya didn't know ya he needs Shrimuri Koashia, Ogula, or Kohoga County, or Mahogora, or Puhogashi, or nothing. Did you two Baramani Madeni, just on the Tiger Base? Tiger Base, I have working Mado. Onya Bakramani and you, Tiger Base, I have Buru the man who Kubuye, not with 500,000 naira. Na mmadụ gbara nwaanyị menyi onye gbakwara nwaanyị menyi abịa report gbakwu na amaghị ihe ọrụ unu anaghị anụ tu na ha anụ na anaghị ahụ ụzọ problem ndị Tiger Base once enyere ha ego their sense of justice is eluded. Once they see money like this, once they see money get ha na-eme conditional mma. We are calling upon the commissioner of police. There are a lot of things. We have a lot of stories. We have a lot of, as we are gathering evidences against the Bubago, we also gathering evidences against the Tiger Base. You must respect the fundamental human right of Igbo-lites. And I believe that the CP, the commissioner of police Imo State, now stop human rights in the Imo. And he has been warning you people for a long time. Yet, we don't know. You know na Tiger Base are two ego. You know na that Tiger Base are two ego. The amount of money you know na bomb Abi Bell there is outrageous. It's unbelievable. Of policemen. 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Flimsy excuses, flimsy arrest, flimsy this, flimsy that. You hear about Sahudu, at the end of the day, nothing. Abi bello madu na asi na aga bello the person. Abi asi no papa madu court, na asi no na papa onya abala court. Asi no carry the constitution of the Federal Republic. Matu ho to onya ni men no mkporo, una aga agota ha na-ekwu. Mo to onya ni mu na aga ho mkporo. Mo to onya ni mu no ndị Tiger Base, mo to onya ni mu na aga ho mkporo, una aga agota ha na-ekwu. You must respect the fundamental human right of the people. That is what we are saying. Una behave anyhow in Imo State here because I want to get it. Maybe the hungry toy me. Ndoza agaha mana ha boto. Yema good way joku. Maybe the hungry toy me. Ndozo agaha mana ha boto. Unu gadi ready. Because we will take this case up. Unu gadi ready. We will take it up. And we are calling upon the CP to caution in the Tiger Base. They should stick to their core responsibility, to their core objective of arresting kidnappers and stopping kidnapping in Imo State. That is their job, and not civil matters. As far as we are concerned, you must respect the fundamental human right of Imo people, whether you like it or not. That is why you are there. Then if you say you cannot respect the fundamental human right of Igbo people, one nakobagi should have prison. Prison.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch this video, I am the CP, the IG, the GG, the GC, the OC, all of them. I'm gonna watch this video and call these your boys in order, because we are not animals for cry loud. Our people, what is wrong with us? That is why black people still they suffer. If he give any black person more powers, more opportunity, in here they go turn upside down. Don't see himself as a small god. That is why these white people they far ahead of us. We know if you manage small thing, we know if you control our emotion. They give you gun to work. Now your head don't big. Those people now they made them pass all through this. They are not a human being like Ona. Now wait till they ask this Tiger Base, because a lot of report don't come for inside that place. People who don't go there don't come outside tell us, see wetin they happen for inside here. Innocent people know, but nobody will talk for them. I want you people to share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot.